They may not work so great. We'll see what happens, and hopefully it doesn't make it unstable. So
right.
Don't lean back in your chair, Martin. Be ready to move.
Oh.
Okay.
Heads up. The name of the model, Estes Nonemo, with a E12-4. E as in Echo, pad C as in Charlie. Panels keyed up, armed, counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Yeah. I thought I saw something drop out of them.
It's possible the other blade went off.
I think something dropped out.
Yeah, probably.
There's two of them on there, but there's nothing holding them open. You need elastic.
Yeah.